Hey guys, this is Suraljeet, your best friend in internet marketing, and today I'm very excited to show you off my new application. It's called SellItPix, and this is the first application in our market that enables personalized, hyper personalized outreach marketing for you. So let's get going and see what it's all about. Outreach marketing on platforms like LinkedIn is one of the most powerful marketing strategies because it can help you land your best customers. You can reach out to people who you know are your best possible customers who are directly interested in your niche and who you could sell to right away. The only problem is if your messages that you are sending to people are generic like this one, with nothing that makes them stand out, you're not going to land these customers. The reason is they're already busy and they are getting anything between 2 to 12 messages per day from marketers like you. So if you really want to stand out and you really want to capture that customer, you want to attract the attention of that customer, you got to do something different. That's why you need personalized outreach marketing. So look at this message, for example. It can have every element of this message, including the text and the name, but what it has different is a nice graphic that mentions the person by name. You can have personalization at any level. You can have the name, you can have the company's name, their city, their phone number, anything that you want, and that immediately attracts the attention. If you see these two messages on your LinkedIn, which one will you look at? Which one will you actually read? It's obvious that it's gonna be this message with personalization. That's why personalization can help you actually double your profits and even triple them. In fact, in the test that we ran, we were able to get 329% more replies using personalization than with non-personalized messages. So guys, this is something that you really need to do, and that is what SellItPix does, not just on LinkedIn but also on Facebook and every other platform that you can think of, social media platform, email, landing pages. It does it everywhere. I'm going to show you exactly how. Here we are on the dashboard of SellItPix. This is nothing but a bird's eye view of all the work that you've done, the images that you've generated, the campaigns that you run, your templates and your credit points, and all of this is there to help you do things faster. Next, what you can do is you can create a campaign. So go to campaigns, and I've got some campaigns over here like the one I showed you. You can edit it if you want. Click on edit and you can see the campaign details over here. You've got a name here. So let's say you need to reach out to a prospect who's called John. You can just put his name and then you can select the landing page that you want John to go to. Let's say it's GoSellItPix.in, and you can actually modify the template. So the templates are nothing but HTML files and the code is right over here, but you don't need to modify anything by code. We do have a great template builder, but the code is right over here in case you want to look at it. Plus it gives you some facility to change some of the things, like you can change font, you can change color, you can change the font size and so on. So all of that is actually modifiable even from this interface, and you can have a thumbnail title too. So when you share the thumbnail, what title do you want in there, you can choose that, and then you can generate the images for different platforms. So if you want to share the image directly, let's say you just want to share the image on a platform, or you want to embed it in some place specifically like a landing page that you've custom built, you can just generate the image itself. So here's the image. You can either download it to your PC or you can share the URL directly with anyone you want, and you can use it in absolutely any sort of media, videos, text, emails, social media, anywhere. But that's not the real power of SellItPix. The real power of SellItPix is in the direct methods of doing things. So you've got generate image for social media. Go there and click on generate, and now you have an image that is generated just for social media, and you can share this image directly on places like LinkedIn or Facebook. I'm going to share on LinkedIn and show you what it does. So here I am on LinkedIn, and I'm going to just paste the message and write something else like hi and link to my text, whatever I want to, mylink.com. Press enter, and John will see a message with his name. And the best thing is you have set a landing page inside of SellItPix. So check out here, you've got a landing page here which is GoSellItPix in, and This time this image is clickable. So when John clicks on this image, he will be taken to goselitpix.in, exactly the landing page that you specify. And this is something that you haven't been able to do with LinkedIn or Facebook at all directly. So even if you create a custom image for John or for your prospects and you share that image, you insert that image is not going to be clickable, right? People can just click and follow that image. So here with Sell It Pix, you can have your sales message, your call to actions inside that image, and when your customers, your prospects, they click on it, they're taking straight to your landing page. It increases the click-through rate many times. And want to do something even more amazing? You can generate dynamic URLs that you can use in emails or anywhere else you want, like CRMs or any messaging system that you have, that allows you to put in codes. So when you use an email client like MailChimp or Aweber, you know that you can use embeddable codes like first name inside your email, and MailChimp or Aweber will replace that with the person's actual first name. So with the dynamic URL, you can create links that can generate names or actually any kind of personalization for your prospects, and you can send out emails with images that are personalized. Imagine that, guys. Sending out emails with personalized images. All you need to do is use this link as your image source. And I'm going to show you how it works. Let's open a new browser tab and put in that link. And this time, instead of first name, let's put in Cyril. That would be the value that your email client would put in the link, and see what happens. Here we have a personalized image for us, and if you put in that link inside your email, they will see their own personalized image. And let's say if it was not Cyril, but let's say Dane, press enter, and you've got the image for Dane. So every one of your customers is going to receive a personalized email with your personalized image. That is like personalized raised so many times, guys. It's not just putting people's name in the subject line or your email body. It's about putting their name inside a personalized image. Imagine the kind of difference it would make if you got a link on it and people can click it and follow you to a landing page that is also personalized, because that's what I'm talking about next. So this is the next stage. You can actually customize landing pages, any landing page you want, change text in it, change images in it to be personalized. So you can have landing pages with headlines like "Hi Cyril, welcome to the landing page," and have images inside the landing page that are personalized to that customer. So you can have graphs and stats that are personalized, that have the person's name or any other information you want, which make your landing page extremely personal. Imagine somebody reading a landing page that is custom made just for them, addresses them by name. They are gonna spend time to read it because people love their name, and when they see it on landing page, they will be reading it. And all you need to do is use this code. This is a JavaScript code that you can put in your landing page. It's very simple, just copy and paste job. And then when you send people to that landing page using a Sell It Pix link like this one, generate landing page URL, when you send people to this link, they will automatically see a landing page that's 100% customized to them. Imagine bringing your prospects to a landing page that addresses them by name, and you can have their name and other personal information not just in the headlines or the text, but also in the images that you put in there. So that will make your landing page stand out. It will make your landing page totally different from every other landing page that your prospects have visited, and you're gonna get more signups, more sales every single time. Guys, hyper personalization is the way to go. If you want success in marketing, that's what you need to do. And Sell It Pix lets you do it in an amazing manner. You get dozens and dozens of templates to get started with. There are a number of templates. You can make your designs just by modifying any template you want. Plus, you also get access to public templates created by other people. So as Sell It Pix is used, people are gonna make their own templates, and if they want, they can share it, and you can get access to those templates too. So that is like getting an unlimited supply of content every day without having to work for it. Plus, you can create your own templates too. You can set a template public or private, and you can edit any template you want in our amazing page designer. You can change anything you want. You can change the background image, you can change the name, you can change the text, and in the request section you can keep track of who is responding to your images. You can see the images that you generate, and you can also see if somebody clicked on it. If somebody clicks on an image, you will get to see an yes, and that will help you keep track of who's actually responding, who's working with you, and who you can touch for further action, who can be your hot prospects. So all of that is a part of Sell It Pix. This product is something that you really need for outreach marketing, and outreach marketing is something that you should be doing today if you haven't done it yet. So get started with Sell It Pix and get more customers every day.